Well, today's a pretty big day for me. It marks 1 year since I was monetized on YouTube. So, over the course of the last year, I've been getting paid for putting videos on YouTube's platform through the AdSense program. Uh, it's really the only money making opportunity that I've taken from YouTube. They also allow us to sell merchandise and other things like that. But the only thing I've ever applied for and been part of is the YouTube Partner Program, the YPP. And with that, I get AdSense money for anybody who watches my video. I get paid a little bit for the ad that gets played on the video. Uh, with that, my channel's pretty much. I started this channel about 2 years ago. It took about a year to get monetized, and then this is 1 year later after being monetized. I had some really early successes with one of my very first videos was with an international truck. It got a ton of views without being monetized, and I had, I think, 40,000 views on it or something. And so I said, wow, people might actually like to see some of the videos I make. So I continued on the journey until I came up with a auction video that just pretty much exploded overnight. I posted it. It had a lot of people already looking at videos that had to do with this particular event. And so I went down and filmed the event, edited it in a way that people obviously liked, and my channel exploded. I went to 1,000 subscribers and the watch time was covered and my channel got monetized. Haven't really had too many of those viral videos since then. I would say I do pretty average for my views. And so I thought I'd kind of share with you, what I get paid in 1 year's time for doing YouTube videos. Definitely not a professional. I started with absolutely no editing skills, no photography skills, no real computer skills of any kind other than repairing automotive vehicles. Everything I've done has been self-taught and basically learned from watching YouTube videos on how to edit things and exactly what to do to make a good video. So I can't say I've got that down perfect yet. Still working it out the best I can. But 1 year in, I definitely plan to keep continuing to make videos. It's definitely not been, like I said, a huge profit center for me. If I add up the price that I spent on the computers, the camera, the memory sticks, and the SD cards, yeah, I have not made any money yet. But I believe that with continuing to try to do this, there's a great chance that I will get to the point where it actually becomes a profitable business to run a YouTube channel. For now, I'm just going to continue to make the videos that I make and hope that the audience finds it and likes it. So as you can see, I had some early success with that orange line right around November of 22, where that international video got me some subscribers and quite a few views. Then I had a short that did pretty well, but it wasn't until that beginning of August in 2023 when I hit that green spike that sent my channel all the way up to the point where I was monetized and I had enough watch hours to join the YPP program and start being paid for ads. 1 year in, you can see my total subscriber count is just over 3,000 and my estimated revenue is about $930. All right, so after making videos for an entire year, $930 probably doesn't cover the cost of my laptop, let alone the cameras and the SD cards and things like that. So is YouTube a profitable business in the first year? I would have to say no. Obviously, with time, you're going to get better with any skill. I hope to be able to make better videos with better editing and potentially draw more people to my channel, where when I do a video, more people get to see it, and who knows, in a year, maybe two more, I'm at a point where I could actually say that it is profitable to make YouTube videos. At the moment, it is definitely costing a lot of my time, and a lot of my effort goes into putting these videos together. So it's definitely a long road. This is a marathon, not a sprint. as many people have said, but listening to some of the top creators and top editors, you just have to do it. Your first videos are gonna suck. They say that with everyone. You look at some of the top creators out there, with the exception of some people who just automatically explode overnight for, one thing that they say makes them blow up and they're a superstar overnight. Most people don't get that way. Most people have to work at it for years and years before they finally find exactly what works for them. Like I said, I found a couple of different ways to make videos that work. However, I haven't had the opportunities to film those types of videos again to get the kind of audience that I got with those videos. So definitely working on trying to find those types of situations where I can film them. But for now, I'm just going to continue to make how-to videos and kind of do more of a vlog style video where I just go through my day as a YouTuber and start telling people about it. So I'm really hoping that method catches on. I feel like that's really what I want to be able to do. That way I can just live my life, but tell everybody about it, and that's what my video will be about. So I don't know if that's going to work, but that's kind of what I'm going to try next, and we'll see where we go from there. Worst that can happen is nobody watches it, in which case I'll say, obviously that doesn't work for a video idea, and I'll have to come up with something better. So thanks for watching. Give me a like and a subscribe if you would. It really helped the channel out, and like I said, I'm just starting out, and I hope to do great things in the future. If you like cars and automotive content, who knows? Maybe I'm the next guy that you need to watch. Thanks for watching.